In case I die today, in case I won't make it to the ballot, just know nilikuwa mtu wa one term. Kama nitakufa leo, kama sita make it to the ballot, na waomba mjue nilikuwa msee wa one term. Siwezi betray Bogi, siwezi nikasaliti Bogi hata kidogo. Rest in peace, Rex Masai. Rest in peace, Peter Muteti. Rest in peace, Eric Shieni. Rest in peace, Albert Ojwang. Rest in peace. Rest in peace, Kariuki, the mask vendor. Rest in peace, all the Gen Zs who slept during the June 24 Finance Bill protest when we were fighting for our country. Rest in peace, all the comrades who lost their lives as we were fighting for our country. In case I won't make it to the ballot, I promise I was there to fight in favor of one term. Rest in peace. It is painful when I remember all the young men we lost during the June 24th Finance Bill protest. Very sad. Just rest in peace. We will fight for you. We will keep on fighting. And I am very sorry. We didn't make it to the State House. We did make it. I know some of you, where you are, you think we made it. You think where you are, we changed the government. No, the government changed us. We were scattered. Some of our comrades were bought. Others have been paid as bloggers. They have played tribal card against a certain tribe. And it has succeeded. Now there's a tribe. I don't know whether it's the third tribe in Kenya. But there's a tribe known as Hyenas in Kenya. Now, it is very sad. Very, very sad, my friends. Very sad. Very sad. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry.